In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10 and 11. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that the server status of Roblox is not down. So just simply go to status.roblox.com and just check whether your servers has a problem. So if you saw that your server doesn't have a problem and you can't launch Roblox, what you want to do next is to go to your search bar and type in add or remove programs. So simply click on that and you'll be redirected to your installed apps. Now search for Roblox. Now click on the three dots icon at the upper right corner of the Roblox icon and select advanced options. Now you want to scroll down and right here in the reset section, you want to click on repair. Just wait for this for a few seconds and simply click on reset. Now, if this method doesn't work for you, the next thing you want to do is just click on uninstall and download it from the Microsoft Store. So go to the Microsoft Store, you search for Roblox, and you want to download Roblox from here. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.